Alright guys, so we have a older Maytag washer here, and the issue with this washer, it is not spinning, and I want to kind of give you an idea what to check. First thing you want to notice is your motor, and if your motor is turning and your your drain pump is turning, okay, that means all these are free, okay. What's left is your transmission and your pulley. Now this is a grease cap. They get, it's nothing. So what you want to do to determine if your transmission is good, okay? If you rotate this way, which is clockwise, and when you rotate the opposite way, okay, if your transmission is good, the whole drum should rotate as well. So I'm feeling some resistance. So we're going to take a look and see if the drum is rotating. It should be rotating. In fact, we'll throw this in there and you should hear it falling and tumbling over. If your drum is not rotating, that means the transmission is bad. But we're going to do one final confirmation. So now, as you remember, rotating, and this way, where everything should be rotating, I didn't hear that thing fall inside the drum. You would have heard it by now. Okay, so this unit has a bad transmission. Very good machine. Most customers don't fix them just because of the cost. Unfortunately, they should, because they do last. They're very heavy-duty machines. Unfortunately, they're probably not going to be fixed. Thanks for watching.